welcome back today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button, it is just below. And if you're a regular, come back. Hello, welcome back today. So today I am going to share with you my kind of favourite mascaras. I'm a little bit picky with mascaras. My eyelashes are naturally very long, but I do find that some mascaras I'm like, how can you not do what you're meant to do? Sounds really mean. But I do find that there's some mascaras out there that I'm not that happy with, and there's others like, oh my god, that is amazing, that has really worked. I'm very shocked. And like, yeah, and I love mascara. Like, I'd happily go a day with just bronzer, blusher and mascara on, and maybe my eyebrows, because my eyebrows are very funny. But like, I don't need the rest of the makeup on. So yeah, so that's why I love mascara, and I want to share with you guys kind of my favourite mascaras out there. Some are drugstore, some are not. And yeah, I just thought I'd share with you all of my favourite mascaras. So let's get into this video, guys, and show you my mascara. So these mascaras aren't in any particular order. I just like all of them. They all do something different, so depending on what I'm doing that day, or kind of if I'm doing an evening out, depends on what one I would pick. So they're all very equal but different at the same time, so that's why I don't just have one favourite mascara. So first off, I have picked Benefit Bad Girl Bang. Absolutely love this mascara, but I do find that this eye just, I don't know, it goes funny on this eye. I don't know whether it was because of hay fever season that it was just playing up, or this eye just doesn't want to match with it. But I love this. This is gives you very nice long lush eyelashes, but I do find that I need to put like a brush through my eyelashes and some moisturiser on them first. Otherwise I feel like these stick together and kind of look more like spider legs than eyelashes, which is a massive no-no for me. But it's so hit and miss, that's why. But I absolutely do love it. Like, on a daily basis I do sometimes pick this up. I love how long it makes my eyelashes, how lush they feel, and how it makes me feel like I'm not wearing mascara. I don't like the mascaras that are meant to make your eyelashes longer and they just feel super heavy and feel like there's product on there. So I absolutely love this, and it is a nightmare to get off. So that's one reason why it's one of my favourite, is because of the fact of I can wear this and like I can cry, I can have an emotional day and it will not budge, which I absolutely love, especially that it's not waterproof. So yeah, it's perfect. So another one is from Rimmel London, and this is a Volume Shake. Absolutely love this one. This one was actually in one of my daily makeup things. Mascaras, that's what it's called, makeup things. I think the word makeup thing sounds funnier. Yeah, so I used to wear this constantly, all the time. This was something that I wouldn't put down. Actually like it that you can, you shake it and it stays clump free, but I don't know why. Oh, there you go. So yeah, so this kind of refreshes it, makes it better for your eyelashes, which I absolutely love, because I hate when mascaras go a bit clumpy and you're like, I can't use it anymore, but I want to. So this really is perfect, and it makes my eyelashes super long and lush, which is just amazing. So yeah, I love it. And this was one that was kind of all day use. Like, I use it all the time, like every single day I'd be picking it up. But then there was some others that kind of kicked it off. So this next mascara, I've actually misplaced the mascara. I think it's in my car and I was just too lazy to go get it. That is kind of me. But it's number 7 volumized mascara. Absolutely love this. This is one that I've kind of, like, when I started getting into makeup, this was one that I was like going to constantly. It was like, oh, I love this one. And it makes your eyelashes look quite natural but long. Does that make sense? So it was very like a good kind of, when I was at school, putting it on, it really made my eyelashes look really long but kind of more natural base. And that's what I really love about it. If I'm wanting to have more of a natural makeup look, that one I would really reach to. And that was really, again, one that I would always use, and that was like, no, mascara's never gonna replace you. But some have, but I do still reach for it. But I think it's in the cart. I'm hoping it's in the cart, because I would be very upset if I can't find it. But I'm just being lazy and couldn't be asked to go get it. Mascara I've gone with is Mabley Total Temptation. Absolutely love this. This actually smells a bit like coconut, and it's basically to hydrate your eyelashes and kind of look after them. And I really like that. I like where it's got products in there to help your eyelashes, because in the corner here, I don't know what's happened, but some of mine have just disappeared. And yeah, so I absolutely love wearing this. This is one again that is kind of a daily use kind of one. It's so comfortable, and I really worry with like my bottom eyelashes. I don't really like putting mascara on them. I feel like it just makes them too big and horrible. But this, I feel like I can put it down there and it kind of opens up my eye a bit more. So I never ever put mascara on my bottom eyelashes. I haven't for years. I just feel really uncomfortable, but I feel like this one works down there just because it opens them up a bit more. And it's the only one I like down there, so yeah. But I absolutely love it. The smell's really nice. The feel on my eyelashes I absolutely love. And taking it off isn't like, it's very good with the water, like in the rain in the UK. It works really well. But like taking it off, it's not hard to take off, but it won't run when it's raining. Does that make sense? So kind of one of them, and that's why I love to go to this. And again, for a natural makeup look, I really reached for this one. So another mascara I absolutely have fallen in love with. My sister-in-law, my brother and my niece got it for me for my birthday, and oh my god, this one I absolutely love, and I'm like, oh my god, I don't want to put it down. It's one that I'm just like attached to. Yeah, it makes my eyelashes look amazing with hardly any effort. You know when you get some of them mascaras that you're like, oh come on, like this one, it doesn't matter. I could be half asleep, I could be like, I think Adam could put it on me and it would still look amazing. It's one that I'm like, oh my god, this is amazing mascara. And this is from Chanel. I don't know what one it is. I will link it below when I find out what it is, but oh my god, yes, this is more expensive mascara than the rest, but this I absolutely love. This is something that I'm like, you need this. This mascara is the best out of all of them, and this is the one that I'm like, okay, if I'm having an upset day and I need something to pick me up, this will, because it will make my eyelashes look amazing. I'm like, in seconds. It's not even like I have to put effort in. It would be like, done. And yeah, and it just made me so much happier. I'm like, oh my god, my eyelashes look amazing. And this is it. This is one that I always go to. So the final mascara that's added in my collection that I absolutely love is Clinique's High Impact Mascara. I'm actually wearing it today. I absolutely love it. It makes my eyelashes look amazing. This was one that I got in a Birchbox, and I was like, no, it wasn't. It was an advent calendar from Birchbox. And I was like, I don't know if I'm going to wear it. And then I started, it was in my pot of mascaras. I was like, oh, just try it out. And I have really fallen in love with this. This isn't one of my favourite, but I do love wearing it. It's just, it's quite easy to put on. Mascara is easy to put on, but it's like super like chill. It's like a chilled mascara that you can put on, and it does open up your eyelashes and look amazing. Like, I just can't describe it. It's, look how long my eyelashes look. I'm not wearing falsies. I don't do anything else to my eyelashes, and look how long they are. They are like out there, and today it's because of this little one. And yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this. All of these mascaras I absolutely love for different reasons. Some are more for kind of evening events, some are like if you want a natural makeup day, and some are just like because they work and they make your eyelashes look longer, lusher, just everything. And these are the ones that I always reach for. These are the ones that are in a pot on my makeup desk, and I'm like, okay, what one should I pick from today? Should we do a lucky dip? Like, there's nothing that I wouldn't not go to for these. These ones are like, it doesn't matter what, I will pick up one of these, and it's kind of, yeah, it is kind of a lucky dip what one I will pick up, but they're all ones that I absolutely love and keep reaching for. Whereas I've got some mascaras that I'm like, maybe I'll try you again, didn't really like you, but these are my top mascaras. So thanks for watching today, guys. I hope you liked that video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button below. Leave comments of what is your favourite mascaras. Is there any that I haven't named that you're like, oh my god, Tashaly, you need to try out that mascara, that is amazing? Or is there any mascaras that you think I've put in here that you're like, why have you put that in? That is a bad mascara. Or if you just want to have a conversation about makeup, comment below. Well, thanks for watching today, guys, and I hope you guys have a lovely day.